Ever come across fuel efficiency figures like these and wondered how they're actually calculated? It's a question many car owners have. In this edition of Factful Fridays, we are showcasing how fuel efficiency, commonly known as mileage, is determined for vehicles of all Indian car makers. In India, the fuel efficiency of all new models of Indian car makers are tested before launch. This crucial task is handled by government-approved agencies such as Automotive Research Association of India, ARAI, and International Centre for Automotive Technology, ICAT. These government-approved agencies use a standardized lab-based procedure to test and validate fuel efficiency values. So before a vehicle reaches to any Indian car maker's showroom, it's already been through rigorous testing in labs, making sure it's road-ready and fuel-smart. Let's explore how fuel efficiency is tested and certified for vehicles in India by government-approved agencies. In a lab, having controlled ambient environment conditions, vehicles are placed on a chassis dynamometer, a mechanical device that uses rollers to simulate real-world driving conditions known as modified Indian driving cycle. During this test, the vehicle goes through a sequence of idling, acceleration, steady speed, deceleration, etc. Upon successful completion of the test, government agencies certify the fuel efficiency values that car makers then use to officially declare a vehicle's mileage. Fuel consumption rises in heavy traffic conditions. It also increases when driving with the air conditioner on, with low tire pressure, or with high speed. Now that you know the truth about mileage claims, remember that you have the power to improve your car's fuel efficiency. Let's explore how to maximize your fuel efficiency. Maintain correct tire pressure. Avoid unnecessary load. Don't idle for long. Drive in the right gear. Avoid harsh acceleration or braking. Maintain steady speed. Keep the air filter clean. Get your vehicle serviced regularly for inspection of the following and more. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays, because we are always by your side.